One of the largely found crops in and around Mangalore is cashews. The abundant availability of cashews makes it feasible to be used for variety of recipes. And therefore, in this episode, we have decided to share one such famous recipes using cashews, and that is ivy gourd and raw cashew stir fry. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. Look at this, my dear friends. This is the first stage of raw cashews. This is how they look when they are completely raw and tender. This is usually sourced from Mangalore and in and around coastal regions. But this can also definitely be sourced from the nearest Mangalore stores during Ugadi. Having said that, we have taken about 250 grams of raw cashews, washed it thoroughly, soaked it overnight and removed the outer skin of it. After prepping the cashews, all we need to do is prepare the tempering, and for that we are heating 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. The first ingredient that goes into the hot oil is 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once mustard starts to splatter, to this let us add 1 teaspoon of chana dal. After chana dal comes 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Let us roast these ingredients on medium flame till the urad dal and chana dal turn golden in color. When they change the color, the next ingredient is 10 green chillies. After adding the green chillies, the final ingredient for the tempering is a little bit of curry leaves. When the curry leaves start to turn crispy, let us add 250 grams of ivy gourd, which is chopped at length into 4 pieces. Next in the list is the hero ingredient, and that is our tasty, tender raw cashews. Make sure that the hero ingredients are mixed thoroughly with the prepared tempering. After giving it all a good mix, let us add our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Add salt as per your taste and again give this a good mix. After mixing the salt along with the ingredients, all we need is a little bit of water. So for everything to cook perfectly, let us add water, give it a mix, and then cover the lid and allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. Look at this, my dear friends. After 15 minutes, the green ivy gourds have changed their color completely. So now at this stage, let us add freshly grated coconut to the stir fry. Final ingredient for the stir fry that we need is 1 tablespoon of sugar. And by the way, the reason behind adding the sugar is not just for sweetness, but mainly to remove the residual bitterness of the ingredients. And finally, let us cover a lid and allow this to cook on a low flame for about 5 minutes so that all the ingredients come along perfectly. This is it, my dear friends. After 5 minutes, we have our tasty, mouth-watering and special ivy gourd and raw cashew stir fry. We request you to prepare this and enjoy the bliss of this dish at your homes. And last but never the least, if you like this recipe and the video, do like this video and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.